If you have ever tried to quit smoking or vaping and felt like a failure, you're not alone. I smoked for 19 years. I tried everything under the sun to try and quit. Patches, gum, pills, hypnosis, cold turkey. You name it, I tried it, and none of it worked for me. Until I finally found a way that worked for me. My name's Mason, and I started the Unapproved channel and school community because the truth is simple. Most people don't quit because of a lack of willpower. They fail because no one gave them the right plan, the right tools, or the right support to help them through the process. And that's what we're going to change right here. This channel is about real strategies, harm reduction tools like vapes and pouches, and practical ways to deal with triggers, cravings, and stress, so you can quit nicotine your way. Each week, I'll be sharing short, practical videos that break quitting smoking or vaping into small, manageable pieces. You'll learn how to spot your smoking avatar, identify triggers and cravings before they happen, build your own quit plan, and celebrate your wins in a community that lifts you up, not tears you down. And you won't just be hearing from me. You'll hear from real people who have been exactly where you are at this point and have made it to the other side. So if you're ready to quit smoking or vaping or want to help somebody you care about, hit that subscribe button. Share this video with one or all of your friends and join us in the Unapproved Skool community. Together, we are going to build the largest support group for those people who want to quit smoking or vaping their way. Your journey starts here. Come on in and join us.